There you go. You're free now. Good boy, sticking with me through this rain. There you go. Shake it off. Come on, girl. Let's get you inside. There you go. You're safe now.
All right, pups, let's get going. Settle down, little one.
Are you okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, help me.
Okay, I've got you. To the car. Oh, he's not faster! Oh, he's not faster! Grandpa, are you okay?
He's stable. The injection is helping. I'm all right, dear. He's responding well. The dogs are helping.
Thank you, doctor.
Good boys. They sense when someone needs them. Ah, that hit the spot.
I'm glad, Grandpa.
Good to see that smile.
Ready for our walk, Grandpa?
You bet. These two are excited.
Let's go! Such good dogs.
Yes, they are. Ready for a walk, pups?
Let's go!
All right, let's go.
Please like this video.